Good day, friends. In this playlist, we are here to fix you through your difficult moments in Igbo language. We are going to tackle it from the roots to the peak. So, if you're finding it difficult with Igbo language, the moment is here to get it clearer. You have kids, you want them to get acquainted with Igbo language. I think this is an opportunity to help yourself out. So, for today's class, we are going to start off with the basics. Edemede in English language is known as Igbo alphabets. If you are a new subscriber, to subscribe to our channel. Then if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to turn on your notification for our updates. It's just simple. Unlike in English language where we have 24 letters of the alphabet, in Igbo we have 36 letters of the alphabet. Let's kick off. We have the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, R, W, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, S, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Good. I hope I'm not sounding strange yet. No. Let it not sound so strange and let it not sound so boring. We have to take it again from there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, R, W, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, and Z. Good. So that's it for the alphabet. I encourage you guys to keep practicing and keep mastering. Let's meet in our next class. Don't forget to click on your notification bell for our updates. And please like this video, comment and share. If you have any questions, drop your question in the comment box below. I'm always available. Get your questions answered. Thank you.